Welcome to another lesson number 6 of this Sysmac Studio series. In today's session, we are going to see how we can read the analog values and how we can scale these analog values into some engineering units. To read the analog, we are using some option board today. And if we go to the option board setting, here we have selected NX1W. MAB221. This mode have two analog inputs and two analog outputs. If you go to the IO map and expand this option board settings, go to NX1W. Here we can see that we have two analog inputs and two analog outputs. Analog input channel 1, we can read the raw value at AI01 variable. At the channel number 1, we have connected 0 to 10 bar pressure sensor, and its output is 0 to 10 volts. And at 0 volts, we will get 0 raw value, and at 10 volts output, we will get 4000 raw value. Now, to change this raw value to some usable engineering units, we have to make some program here. First of all, we will create here an NO input, and we will assign here P_on flag, which is always true whenever the PLC is in the run mode. Next, we have to convert the raw value coming from this pressure transmitter to some real format data. To do this, we will go to the data conversion, and here we will select D into real, double integer to real. And here at the in terminal, we will copy paste this variable AI01. Now to store the real value, and at the output side, we will assign here AI01's real value. Next, we will insert here another rang. Next, we will insert here another input NO contact and assign here same P_on flag. Next, to scale this raw value, which is in our real format, we have to use a scaling block. We can find this block and the analog conversion, and here we will use this scale transformation block. We will drag and drop here, and as you can see that it has some few inputs. We will discuss all these inputs step by step. First of all, we have scale in, and here we have to put this real analog channel value. We will paste here this raw value coming at the channel 1. Next, we have the X0. X0 is the minimum raw value. So again, we have to put here the 0, which is our minimum raw value, but we have to put this in the real format. So we will write here real hash 0. Why 0 is the minimum engineering value? In our case, we have the minimum engineering value as 0 bar. So that's why we will put here real hash 0. This is the X1, which is the raw value max limit. So as we have discussed earlier, we are getting 4000 at the 10 volts input. So we will put here real hash 4000. Next is the Y1. Y1 is the maximum engineering value for this transmitter. As we have discussed earlier, our pressure sensor range is 0 to 8.5 bar. So we will put here real hash 8.5. Multiplication factor, so we can put here only real hash 0, as we are not using this. We can get the scaled engineering value of this analog channel from this terminal. We can assign and create here a new variable, and it will be in the real data type. Next, we will build the controller, go online with the PLC. As you can see that as I increase the pressure, our raw value is increasing, and we are getting the scaled pressure value here in the pressure_1 variable. And at around 5 volts input, we are getting 2000, which is the half of this 4000, and we are getting exactly 4.25 bar. Now if I increase max to 10 volts, we are getting 8.5 bar, which is the maximum pressure range of our sensor. So that's how we can scale and use the analog input channels and read the analog values from the sensors, and how we can scale these values into some usable engineering values. So that's the end of the today's session. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.